Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Google Slides presentation animation. Now here in Google Slides, go to Slide and then select the transition. Now here we have the motion tab. So in this feature, it allows you to add animation effects to text, images, shapes, or entire slides, making your presentation more dynamic and engaging. So here we have the slide transition, where it controls how the entire slide transition to the next one. So for example, we have here the fade, slide, flip, cube, and dissolve. You can adjust the speed of transition, for example, slow, medium, or fast. So how do you usually use this? First is to select a slide that you want to add transition, and then select the type of transition that you want to select on that slides. Now you have the option here to apply this to all the slides. So here is the sample. We have dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, and we have the flip, cube, and then the gallery. So now I'm going to show you how did I did that. So first select your slide and click the transition type and then select the dissolve. And now you can choose whether slow, medium, or fast. Now next slide, change the transition type to fade, and then the next slide, change it to slide from right, and here slide from left, change it to flip, and next we have the cube, and then the gallery. So that's easily how you can change the slide transition. Now next, now we also have here the object animations, and here you can animate specific objects which are text, images, or shapes on the slide. So the common animation types include appear, fade in, zoom in, spin, and fly in. Now, so how do you use this? So first, of course, you have to select an object and then click the add animation. Now here you can select the type of animation that you want to your object, and here you can choose whether you're on click, after previous, or with previous. So here we also have the choice to select the by paragraph, and of course you can not only do that on one element, you can do that by multiple elements on your slide. And we also have here the option to change the duration of our animation. We have the slow, medium, and fast. And here we have the sample object animation. So here we have the appear, the disappear, the fade in, the fade out, the fly in from left, fly in from right. You have the fly in from bottom, fly in from top, fly out to left, fly out to right, fly out to bottom, and then the fly out to top. And you have the zoom in, and then the zoom out, and then lastly we have spin. And then that's it for our tutorial on the motion feature in Google Slides. By using transitions and animations effectively, you can make your presentations more engaging and professional. Remember to keep animations smooth and consistent to avoid overwhelming your audience. You can practice customizing these features to suit your style and presentation goals. And If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.